I'm so awkward. Why am I so awkward? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I've posted anything. That is because I am extremely lazy and I just haven't been feeling inspired to post or record anything for YouTube. But lately I've been really active on my Instagram and I've been getting a lot of positive feedback and a lot of requests to do eyeshadow tutorials on my YouTube. So I figured, why not? One of the most requested looks is just a simple everyday eyeshadow look. I get a lot of DMs from people saying, you know, that they're just starting out with playing with makeup and they just want to know how to, you know, do a simple look that they can wear to work, the grocery store. So if you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Please don't give it a thumbs down because that hurts my feelings. And if you want to subscribe, please do. I would love that. I don't post very often, but the videos that I do post, I feel I put 100% into. So please subscribe if that's what you want to do. So for today's tutorial, I am going to be using the Too Faced Chocolate Bar Palette. If you don't have this palette, that's totally okay. I think that the colors that I'm going to use are colors that you can find in any neutral eyeshadow palette, really. This is the first eyeshadow palette that I purchased that I like really heavily used, and the first eyeshadow palette that really got me into doing makeup. Alright, so I went ahead and did my other eye just to kind of make this whole process go a little faster. So now I'm going to show you guys what I did. So to start, I took a Morphe M441 brush, which just looks like this. It's just a tapered brush. And I am going to dip into Salted Caramel, which is this shade right here. I'm just going to pack that on very nicely. Tap out the excess and start buffing that in to the crease and then bringing it up to my brow bone. Like that. Next, I am going to take a Morphe M433, and this one is just more of a tapered blending brush, and I'm going to dip into the shade Milk Chocolate, which is this light brown top, and pack that on really nicely, tap out the excess, and I'm going to apply that on the outer corner of my eye. And then I'm going to buff that in to the inner corner of my eye, just staying in the crease. And then just to make sure that there are no harsh edges, I'm going to take that first brush and go back into that first shade, Salted Caramel, tap out the excess, and buff that on top of the shade we just applied. Then I'm going to take the Morphe M433, which is the tapered blending brush, and I'm going to go into this shade Semi-Sweet, which is more of a dark brown. And I'm going to apply that on the outer corner of my eye, just to darken up that first shade, and then also buff that in to the inner corner. Okay. Next, I am going to be taking a Morphe M456. By the way, Morphe is not sponsoring this video. I just really like their brushes. They're affordable and very good quality, so I recommend them. This one is just more of a flat blending brush. And I'm going to pick up the shade Creme Brulee from the palette, which is this beautiful pink shimmer, and probably my favorite shade from this palette. And I'm just going to start packing that on to the inner corner of my eye. Next, I'm going to take the same brush and I'm going to go into the shade Champagne Truffle, which is at the very bottom. And it's just more of a lighter pink shimmer. And I'm going to take that and put that right on the inner portion of my eye and buff that in. Then I'm going to go back with that first brush and that first shade, Salted Caramel, and just kind of reapply that over the shimmer that I just applied, staying in the crease. And the reason I'm doing this is because, again, I want to make sure there aren't any harsh edges to my shadow, and just kind of blend it out and just make it a little more subtle. Alright, so then I am going to take just any liner brush would work, an angled liner brush would work. I am going to take the shade Triple Fudge, which is the darkest brown in the palette. And I am just going to start creating a winged liner effect. So I'm just going to start going along my lash line. Alright, so then next what I'm going to do is I'm just going to be using the same brushes that I've already been using, taking the Morphe M433 and what's already on there, and I'm just going to apply that under my eye. Okay, so I went ahead and applied mascara. I used the ColourPop BFF mascara in Black on Black. Alright guys, and that is it. This is my super simple eyeshadow look that I wear when I just want to do something a little more casual. But the nice thing about this is if you want it to look glam, you can easily throw on some false lashes, a nice bold lipstick, and you've got a glam look. So yeah, thank you guys so much again for watching, and I will see you guys next time.